Hi, I'm Nick from Jordanbikes and welcome to another of our videos. So we're filming this in HD, and if you click the button in that corner of your screen that says HD, you can watch it and listen to it in full high definition. So today we're selling a 17 plate GSXR1000. It's a one owner bike, absolutely beautiful. It's done just 6,073 miles and it's got some lovely extras fitted. So from the factory, these come with a mega spec anyway: power modes, adjustable traction control, ABS, Brembo monobloc brakes. They've got a slipper clutch as well. Chances are, if you're doing a track day, one of these is gonna come past you because they go like the wind. This one's got Yoshimura R11 exhaust on it as well. It's just in gorgeous condition. We can't see any specs on it at all. It's lovely, no stone chips or anything. It's got a tail tidy as well. So really clean bike. I'll give it a start up so you can have a listen to it. There you go, nice and cheeky but not too loud. So hopefully the camera's picked up the condition of it there. It's just gorgeous. So save yourself a load of money on buying a new one. There's a few £100 sat there as well. So that's it. You know you want it, give us a call, get your name on it. Thanks for watching, cheers. Hi, I'm Nick and thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine tooth comb and we will put a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We're so confident it's a good bike that we're happy to extend that for 1, 2 or even 3 years. We also offer finance and PCP on all our bikes subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. So if you like it, give us a call and get it bought before somebody else does. Thank you, cheers.